Having tested our assumptions, we can go on to test for whether there is an equivalence of the means or whether the distribution is different using our two-sample t-test. And to do that, we go into data analysis again, and we go down to two-sample test, assuming equivalence of variance, and we press OK. Making sure that labels are collected, and then we select both of the columns that we're interested in, and we put the work to a new worksheet, and we press OK. And then we have our one-tailed and two-tailed probability in the sheet.